This video, I will show you how to delete chat conversations in Character AI. So to get started, go ahead and open Character AI on your browser and sign in into your account. So at the left side, you'll find your recent conversations on Character AI. Beside it, you'll find these three dots. And as you can see, once you click on that, you'll find this Remove from Recents button. So once we click on the conversation, we'll be able to view the conversation entirely. And then once we click on the three dots at the top right, we'll find this sidebar. So as you can see in here, there is no option for you to actually delete the conversation entirely, but you can remove the conversation from the recent conversation on Character AI. So let's go ahead and head back into the Discover section and then click on the three dots on that specific conversation that you want to delete, and then click on the Remove from Resets button. And then once we reload this page, this conversation would be removed from the recent conversations that we have on Character AI. And that's basically how you can delete chat conversations in Character AI.